Hey everybody, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. Ray O'Brien here. I'm always on the look for good drinks or good beverages or good THC drinks, and today I want to tell you about Señorita Mango Margarita. Let's get to it. Señorita Mango Margarita. Is that any good? Let's check it out. Got some limes that I cut up. That's how I had it the other night. Kind of liked it like that. Okay. Oh, that is good. That is really good. The first thing you get is a mango. Then you kind of start to get the margarita flavor. Would I buy it again? Definitely. This is something that when you're at the pool and a barbecue, you don't gotta mix nothing up. It's already mixed for you. And this tastes really good. Now this is non-alcoholic, but it does have 10 milligrams of THC. Do you have any favorite THC drinks? Write below in the comments, let me know so I can check out some more.